Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can easily edit your videos quick and easy using the AutoCut in CapCut. So here on the CapCut homepage, you can see at the top you'll easily spot AutoCut. So if you want to use it, you can just click on that button and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this video. Click on next. So the AutoCut can be used if you want to edit your video instantly or effortlessly, because CapCut will choose the best template for the video that you add. As you guys can see here, this is one of the results, but you can always explore or find the templates that right or fits the best for your clips. You can always do that. Okay, after you find the template that you want, you can just click on export and your edit will be done. Just click on export here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.